Let's dive into the invisible data that lives inside every single photo you take.
It's probably way more than you think. Each image has this hidden layer of info attached to it.
It's called metadata. Think of it like a digital backpack full of your camera's technical details.
Basically, there are three main types: XIF, IPTC, and XMP. And each one does something different.
So why should you care? Well, this data is both a huge opportunity and a serious risk.
12 billion. That's how many Google Lens searches happen a month. And metadata is the key.
And here's the cool part. Good metadata gets you seen and credited right there on Google.
Selling stuff online, embedding keywords can actually get your product seen way more in search results.
And for you creators, putting your name and copyright info in there is absolutely essential to protect your work.
But there's a flip side. All this same data can be a huge risk to your privacy.
Yeah, your photos can show exactly where you were, what phone you used, even track your movements.
And get this stuff is legally protected personal data. Sharing it without permission has real consequences.
Okay, but the good news is you are completely in control, and managing it is super easy.
Using an online tool, it's just 4 quick steps. Seriously, it takes less than a minute.
And this is a total game changer for pros. You can edit tons of photos at once.
So for online sellers or marketing teams, bulk editing is a massive, massive time saver. For most of us, online editors are perfect, fast and easy. The desktop tools are for the pros.
So here's the bottom line. Your photos' metadata matters a lot, and you have all the control.
Now that you know the secret, what story are your photos telling the world right now?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.